Winter is a great time to reverse all of the damage you've done to your skin over the summer, during your summer holidays, beach holidays, or maybe just your outdoor sun exposure. I'm Dr. Anika Goel, Chief Consultant Dermatologist and Hair Transplant Surgeon at Derma Clinic, New Delhi. Today, I'm going to tell you all about how you can reverse that summer damage and work on it during the winter time. Winter time, we kind of have this notion that our skin will be dry and it'll be difficult to treat it, but this is actually one of the best times to treat your skin. The UV index is low. Our outdoor exposure tends to be lesser. The days are shorter as well. So this is a good time to think about what you can do to reverse those changes. Now, what kind of changes do you see during the summertime? Maybe there's an accentuation of fine lines, wrinkles, pigmentation, uneven skin tone. The skin might even start looking dull. And then as the winter comes forward, you start feeling dry as well. So you have a combination of dull skin and dry skin. Some of the best things you can do at home, make sure you're following the same routine, which means that make sure you have an antioxidant serum, make sure you have your anti-aging, whether it's a peptide serum or a retinol. Make sure that you're using a moisturizer, and you can step up your moisturizer with a ceramide-based moisturizer, and along with this, a good gel or cream-based sunscreen, which you are reapplying every 2 to 3 hours. So even in the winter, you do need to keep reapplying your sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours, and this is because our skin produces oil, we're outdoors, or even if we're indoors, the sunscreen and the SPF value does start to degrade and go down. As a dermatologist, I actually love the winter for skin treatments. If you want to think about treatments that will not only work on anti-aging, skin quality, as well as reversal of that sun damage, Dermapen 4 is great. It does everything. It has a peel, it has microneedling, it has specialized solutions. Mirapeel, again, great. We have microneedling, we have special solutions to work on the uneven tone, hydration, and something even like a Cosmelan. Cosmelan leads to a lot of dryness, but again, we do have to take into consideration that in the winter, our UV exposure is less, so it is a good option to try in the winter time. If you're not up for a deep pigmentation peel, you can also try the basic peels like glycolic-based peels and combination peels for rejuvenation and pigment correction. In the winter, we tend to feel a little lazier, so make sure you are still continuing working out or start working out if you're not doing so. Make sure you follow a good, healthy diet, have a plethora of fruits, veggies, protein in your diet so that you feel energized. Keep yourself well hydrated. We tend to drink less water in the winter time. And of course, manage your stress levels and get adequate sleep. This is my quick guide on how to manage your skin and reverse sun damage during the winter time. If you found this video helpful, you can share it with your friends, like the video, and subscribe to my channel.